Hello everyone, it's Miss Jackie again. Yay! Okay, cut it. I don't have an audience or none of that, but you know what? Last night I wrote something and I said, you know what? I'm going to share that today. I really want these women and men out here to get this message also. You know, you got to take it from me because I'm old school, okay? I'm a thoroughbred woman, okay? And I know which way to go because I've been the wrong way so many times. Hell, I learned the right way, so therefore, I'm going to tell you guys. So therefore, maybe you won't go the wrong way and won't go through all the shit I went through. You know, make life a little bit easier, I would think, okay? So here we go. Listen up now. I'm going to read it off the phone because you know my ass getting old, okay? So I got to read it off the phone, okay? Just bear with me, okay? All right. Real talk. Okay. A real woman is very strong and powerful. Agree? She's respected. She's feared. And as your woman, and as your queen, and your significant other, she'll be a friend, a mother, a brother, a sister, a father, a lover. She will fulfill all your sexual fantasies. Okay, I had to throw that in there too. Y'all know that. That's part of life too, right? Right. Okay. And as her king, she will do whatever she can do to satisfy her king. Okay? Alright, give me time now. Don't be rushing me now. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. And she will always love you unconditional. But as your queen, she needs you to be and do the things she needs from you. Right? Yeah. After all, a king is not complete without his queen, and a queen is not complete without her king. You all agree with that? You men going around here want to be kings, that's fine. But don't forget, if you're a king, you got to have a queen. And if you're a queen, you got to have a king. And a lot of people say, well, I don't know if this is right for me or this is wrong for me. Hell, you know. Stop playing. Stop psyching yourself out thinking you don't know this nigga ain't no good. Nigga ain't no good. You know he ain't no good. If he was some good, you wouldn't even have to think about it. But you got to think about it. You got to turn it around. You got to twist it around so it can seem like, okay, now he's right. Nigga ain't going to be right. And you men trying to make this woman a queen, shit, maybe she don't want to be your queen, shit. If she ain't doing right, maybe she don't want to be no queen. Maybe she just want to be what she is. And you know the names they call women. You know, I'm not going to say, you know, because I'm a woman myself, and I'm not going to disrespect no women, okay? It's some names that men call women are not right, and like I said, don't approve of that. But you women out here, you know what you are, you know. So that's all that, you know, I wanted to say to you, really. But you know what, the next time I'm going to come back to you with some more real talk. I'm trying to think of something that you guys would love for me to talk on. Because like I say, I got the age and I got the experience to back me up on everything that I say. I raised 2 grown men and I raised a grown woman. Well, let me take that back. When I was married to my husband, I raised him too. So I raised 3 grown men. Okay, he was my kid, you know. He was my kid too. Shout out to you, baby. Tell me everything I know. Everything that I do want to do and everything I don't want to do. Everything I want in a man, everything I don't want in a man. I love him for that. You know, you got to love him, you know. But the best thing came out of my relationship, I think, was my children. Kevin Cole, Sylvester Cole, and Johnson Cole. That's my heart. Okay, let me switch that around because my daughter do get angry. Her name is Jocelyn Cole Brockman. But actually, she did drop the Cole and just went straight to Brockman. I don't know why she didn't want to hang with us, but that's all right, you know. She didn't want to be no Cole. She dropped the Cole like, forget the Cole. You know, I really want to say F-U-C-K the Cole. But she said, forget the Cole, I just want Brockman on my name. That's it. So I said, okay, cool, but you still mine, you know. But much love to all y'all, and thanks for all y'all that support me. And like I said, any topic you want me to talk on, I'm going to tell you the truth. Because this is real talk. I'm going to tell you the truth. I ain't going to have nothing. Everybody that know me, know I'm just plain mama. I might be silly, I might be crazy, call me what you want. But you know what? I'm blessed, I'm here, and I live to tell you about things. You know, my children about things, my grandchildren. I just seen so much, and the Lord has blessed me to come out of so much. You know what I mean? And it's just, it's wonderful. You know, it's wonderful when you can come out of all that and still stand tall. I feel good. I feel good. I know I look good, whatever. I feel good and I look good. And I thank God for that because you know what? Years ago, you could have told me that I'd be feeling good, that I'd be looking good, that I'd be where I'm at today. Not financially, but spiritually. It's all about the spirit, you know. You know, in the meantime, you guys, get that spirit together. Get your relationship together with God. And you know what? Stop being around these fake people. Fake people gonna bring you down. And you fake with them, what? You fake, they fake. So what's gonna come out of fake people? Leave them fake people alone. If they ain't got your back when you down 100%, why you gonna mess with that? I just don't see that. If I'm there for you and you ain't there for me, something wrong with that picture. But you know what, I'm sad now. I'm tired of talking, you know. Maybe about another week I'll bring y'all something else. But in the meantime, peace. And that's what's up with Miss